lawyers! Today I'm sharing 5 tips for how Google Maps can get law firm clients. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Hey, it's Mary Cary again, legal marketing director, website developer, and video production expert. Google Maps dominates the 3 organic search positions for your practice area. That's right, that means that only 3 law firms can attain that top position. But I've noticed in bigger cities like Los Angeles, they do rotate the top 3 law firms, but in any event, these days you really need to pay attention to your Google My Business Maps listing. There's several ways that your law firm can use Google Maps to attract new clients. But first, a quick introduction. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment. So let's jump into this subject. There's several ways that your law firm can use Google Maps to attract new clients. Claim your business listing on Google My Business. By claiming your business listing, you can ensure that your law firm's information is accurate and up to date on Google Maps. You can also add a phone number, photos, business description, your business hours. All this can help attract clients who are searching for a law firm in your area. Encourage your clients to leave reviews. Positive reviews from satisfied clients can really help attract new clients to your law firm. Encourage your clients to leave reviews on your Google My Business Maps listing, as well as review on other sites like Yelp or Avvo. Optimize your website for local SEO. Make sure that your website is optimized for local search engine optimization by including your law firm's name, address, phone number on every single page, as well as in the header and footer. You should also include your name, address, and phone number in the metadata for each page. This will help Google understand that your website is relevant to people searching for your law firm in your area. Use targeted keywords in your website's content and on Google Maps. Using targeted keywords in your website's content that are relevant to your law firm and your services that you offer will help a lot. It also helps to link to your Google My Business Maps listing. On your Google My Business Maps listing, use keywords as well. Advertise on Google Maps. You can also advertise your law firm on Google Maps through Google Ads. This can help drive more traffic, not just to your website, but also to help you get into the Maps 3-pack. And these days, in certain geographical areas, Google Maps allows us to chat with potential clients, which works to bring in new clients every day for our law firms. Sometimes we even talk to your existing clients there. I hope this information has been helpful. Please stay engaged with me and get to know us by reaching out anytime by emailing me, mary@GoMediaMarketing.com. And here's to your success. Contact us today and learn how GoMedia Marketing Productions can help your law firm grow. Join us on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's so that more law firms like yours can find this content. Thank you so much.